This is the video tutorial that is about getting rid of the fake or human verification alerts associated with the site News-nasiko.cc. This website tries to trick visitors into clicking on a special allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they're humans and not robots. In reality, it is a mistake to click on allow. This may hijack your browser immediately with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should urgently fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions area and click on notifications. At this point, research the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site. I would also recommend investigating the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.